Okay, in this video, I'm going to talk about porch stairs, two ways of doing them, and how we do the porch. So there you see what it looks like in Enscape. So first, let's talk about how I got the porch to look like that. So let me go into Revit here. In Revit, if you look at the elevations here, this porch is, I just duplicated the slab, made it, and renamed it, made it a 24-inch slab. Set the level at the first floor. And then I have my foundation wall, which goes from top of footing up to 2 foot 11 3/4 inches. So it goes to the underside. Now this is well under our grade line, so I don't see that joint between the slab and the ICF. So that's how I did the slab. Then the simplest way of doing the steps, especially if you don't want a railing, is to just make two slabs. And that's what's shown here on the left. So there's one slab here. I duplicated and renamed the slab. I made it 6.5 inches. How did I come up with 6.5 inches? I just measured how far my porch was down to the grade, the 3D grade, and it's about 20 inches. I divided it by 3 and I ended up with about 6.66. So it's 6.5 is the nearest real number. And so I'm got that one 6.5 times 2, which is 1 foot 1 inch down for my height offset. And that's the base. So you can see that's the bottom of those two steps. And then the top of the two steps is also 6.5 inches, but that one's only offset down 6.5 inches. Now, when you look at the west elevation, you see there is a line between the two of them. And if that bothers you, you could do a masking region, but that's relatively straightforward to fix. And then if you see how it looks in Enscape, looks perfectly fine. So now let's go back in and show you the other one where it's actually a stair. So this is a precast stair, my base offset, and I just futzed around with this until I got it right. It's like minus 1 foot 8, and my desired stair height is 1 foot 1 1/4. That's going up my 2 steps. And then my desired number of risers is 2. So I'll show you how I actually go ahead and make one of those. I'll make another one. So we're going to go to architecture, stair, precast stair, base levels first floor, numbers I just told you, minus 1 foot 8. This becomes none. My desired stair height becomes 1 foot 1.25. And then my desired number of risers is 2. Everybody's happy. Desired run width is 5 feet. I'll leave automatic landing checked. I don't know if it does anything or not. And so it's going to make my stair 5 feet wide. So I'm going to come out here and I'm just going to run in and click OK. Now it's automatically going to put a railing on it. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my align tool to put it where I want on the house. So let's go ahead and get to my align tool, which is modify, align that with that. So the one in the middle in Enscape is going to be the one that I just made. So let's show you what that looked like. So did I not update my view? Let's go back and look here. Oh, okay. So let's go in and look at Enscape again. So now you see they lined up. I just need to update my view. So there's the one, the first one I made. There's the one I just made. Now again, it's got the little thing that's not perfect in the elevation. So in this case, it would be the south elevation. You see that little angle there, but again, that can be taken care of with a masking region. And there is a way that I can model this stair like in a solid in 3D, and it's going to be perfect, but it takes like 10 times as long, or maybe 5 times as long. I'm exaggerating. So I'm going to show you this quick ways because we don't have really excess time to spare on this. And you can always just erase those railings if you don't want them. If you do the other kind of stair. Okay, hope this helps. Thanks.